Want to supercharge your portfolio and achieve financial growth fast? These 7 stocks are making waves right now, and you're about to get the inside scoop. Don't miss this chance to transform your investments. We're breaking down the 7 powerhouse stocks you can invest in today to stay ahead in the market. Stick around to uncover the 7 stocks dominating the market and delivering massive returns. You don't want to miss this. Number 7. Walt Disney. From the 1950s to the 21st century, Walt Disney has remained one of the best and one of the top stocks of all time. From Pixar Animation Studios to Marvel Entertainment to 21st Century Fox to ESPN to the iconic Disney Channel, Walt Disney has been a dominant player in the market. And of course, we can't forget about the Disney theme parks. Anyone would know about Walt Disney's smashing successes. With outstanding multi-decade returns, Walt Disney has remained a key player in the stock market for years. Having created wealth valued at $311.6 billion, Walt Disney stocks have an annualized dollar-weighted return of 10.6%. With its long history of revenue growth and commitment to shareholder value, Walt Disney has always prioritized their shareholders through dividends and reinvestments. And with the success of its products, the stock has the potential for massive growth. Number 6. Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy. Home to some of the most luxurious brands in the world, including Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, Bulgari, and Tiffany & Co., the Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy has created $327.3 billion in wealth with an impressive annual return of 12.4%. The company was founded in 1987 through the merger of Louis Vuitton and Moët Hennessy. In these 37 years, the company has managed to own 75 brands, which have been divided to 6 business groups. With their constant focus on thriving through tough economic times, the company has maintained its exclusivity and appeal. Being a luxurious brand-focused company, the company's products are higher priced, which obviously leads towards bigger profit margins. This adds up to the massive growth in the company's stock. Number 5. Intel. If there's any company that has been consistently doing well in the stock market for the past 30 years, it's Intel. Founded in 1968, the company is one of the oldest technology companies, and considering the data we have, the company's time and efforts have paid off really well, both for the company and the shareholders. At one point, Intel had almost 100% market share in the central processing units for personal computers market. Today, it might not be 100%, but it still holds around 80% of that share. However, because the company kept its focus on CPUs and personal computers and never entered the mobile applications market, its stock price never rose to its full potential. But despite that, the company has created $340.2 billion worth of wealth with an annual return of 16%. Number 4. Berkshire Hathaway. The Berkshire Hathaway had to be on our list. After struggling as a textile manager in the 1960s, the control of the company was handed over to Warren Buffett. And with him as the leader, the company had to become one of the best stocks of all time. Because the textile industry was in decline in the 1960s, Buffett decided to change the direction of the company's work line. Starting from banking, he expanded the company to insurance and newspaper publishing. It's safe to say that the company took off. Today, Berkshire Hathaway is known as one of the biggest multinational conglomerate holding companies. With an annualized dollar-weighted return of 11.7%, the company has created $504.1 billion worth of wealth. The company's stocks are divided into 2 different classes. There's the Berkshire Hathaway Class A, commonly known as BRKA, and there's the Berkshire Hathaway Class B, which is known as BRKB. The main reason behind this is the price of the stock. Class B offers shares that are much more affordable than that of A's. So if you're a beginner in the stock market and don't have much initial capital, the BRKB might have the best stocks for you. Number 3. Alphabet. For those who might not know this, Alphabet was previously known as Google. In 2015, the corporate name was changed to Alphabet. Google's search engine is the company's most thriving business, but it's not the only business owned by the company. which led to the change of the corporate name. The shares of the company were first offered to the public in 2004, and even during that initial phase, the company was worth $27 billion. It would be an understatement to say that the company has progressed. The company has gone from $27 billion to $1.2 trillion within 20 years. With this $979 billion worth of wealth creation, the company has an annualized dollar-weighted return of 19.3%. Google Search and Google Ads have been dominating the market. In fact, Google Ads has captured a huge position in the global ad spend. And that's just two parts of the company. This is a major sign of their reliable revenue, which will be contributing towards steady growth. Number 2. Tesla. The way the EV market has been flourishing, it won't be too long before it leads the world's economy. And if we're talking about the EV market, obviously, Tesla has to be mentioned. The way Tesla has created worth $639 billion despite the volatile nature of the stock market is impressive and astonishing. With an annual return that is as high as 65.4%, even a stock market novice would know how well Tesla stock has been doing. Apart from being a leading name in the EV market, Tesla also has another huge benefit, and that is being related to Elon Musk. The popularity Musk has gained over the years has turned him into a brand. And since Tesla's name has always been joined by Elon Musk, this has been a huge selling point for the company. Since both Tesla and Elon Musk are progressing right now, it's safe to assume that Tesla's stock is leading towards massive growth. Number 1. Amazon. For obvious reasons, Amazon had to be the number 1 on our list. A simple website that went public as an online bookstore in 1997 is today one of the largest multinational technology companies. Ever since 1997, the company has created more than $1.5 trillion in value for its shareholders. The company's 31.1% annualized return is not just high, it's one of the highest annualized returns that the stock market has witnessed. From cloud-based services to stream media to digital advertising, we can't forget the retail world. Amazon owns Whole Foods. The company is functioning that entire grocery store chain with its own freight and logistics operations. The company has been doing well ever since it went public. Although the pandemic staggered the stock valuation of the company for a while, it soon recovered and is now thriving just like before. So it's safe to say Amazon stocks are pretty reliable. The stock market is highly volatile, which is exactly why we have focused on rather long-term aspects. You can consider the current price and growth rate, but you might not want to bear that risk as an initial investor. With that being said, these 7 stocks listed can totally change your investment game because with their long-driven success, there isn't much risk. So if you're looking forward to investing in stocks, any of these can be your best option. Ready to transform your portfolio? These stocks are leading the market now, but opportunities like this don't last forever. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more wealth building tips. Share this video with someone who needs it. Your financial journey starts today. See you in the next video.